Welcome to the Winner's Corner. I'm General Thunderstorm Winner. I want to talk about Riot City Prodigy. You guys are strong and independable, but you're not going to be able to defeat the winners. You're not going to be able to destroy or do anything to Andy Weinberg. Andy Weinberg always has a plan in his mind. You know, he's smart, and so are the winners. But I'm not ready to pick a bone with a couple of you guys from Riot City. You're in the shadows. You're freaking insane. You know, guys like you need to go to Arkham Asylum. Hang out with Joker. But you say you are the Joker? No. You're just a punk. A psycho punk. Prodigy, you have no right to put your hands on my godfather. Nobody has the right. Riot City, you're bringing Ed Norris from 95.7 The Fan. No. He has no right to stick his nose into Andy Weinberg's business of wrestling. You know, there's been a lot of talk, and there's been messages and phone calls I've been getting from friends and everybody else that I know about asking me, what are the winners going to do to Riot City and Prodigy? I always say, we're going to defeat, no, better yet, destroy Riot City and Prodigy. But for Riot City, we're going to stop the riot. The winners are going to stop the riot because you guys need to quit the riot. You know, Prodigy, if you really think you have the right to put your hands on Andy Weinberg again, try again. Because, no, you're not going to be able to. Because Andy always has a plan. The Winners Army are tired of you guys thinking that you're going to defeat us, the winners. No. We're going to defeat you all. You know, if you got a problem with Andy Weinberg and the winners, try to get through us. Because you're not going to get into our heads. You're not going to try to mess with us. We're going to mess with you and to defeat you. So, there. You guys are going to lose.